Apple ID verification required. If you're stuck with the Apple ID verification required message and your Apple ID keeps asking for verification, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix this annoying issue. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. This can be a Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, but it needs to be strong to communicate with Apple server. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, let's check if your payment information is up to date. Go to settings, simply tap on your name at the top, then go to payment and shipping. If your payment info is outdated or missing, you'll need to update it. Make sure your billing address and payment method are correct. If needed, add a new payment method or choose none if you want to avoid using one. Sometimes signing out and back into Apple ID can fix this issue. To do this, simply go back, tap on the name and simply click on sign out. After you sign out, simply sign back in using your Apple ID credentials and see if that resolves the verification issue. Another reason this might be happening is because your iPhone is running an outdated version of iOS. Go back to settings, tap on general and go to software update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Apple regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve the system. And that's it. Hopefully one of this step help you fix the Apple ID verification required problem on your iPhone.